Before Go Sober, all I thought about is when am I going to get a drink? How can I schedule a drink? Where did I hide it? Where can I hide it so my wife doesn't look in the same place that she looked last time? And then what are the kids doing? Do I have to drive them somewhere? Oh, I got to drive them somewhere, so I can't drink till after. All worries, all things that took away from the valuable time that really damaged a lot of relationships. Business wise, I own my own business. I would avoid any type of work after 2 o'clock. I'd have to be prepared to drink because in the time frame before my wife got home. Now, the freedom of being able to do whatever I want, whenever I want, for the most part, to build these relationships up. Business relationships. Relationship with my 14-year-old daughter is night and day compared to what it was prior to being Go Sober to where it is today. She jumped in the bed last night and just started loving on me. A 14-year-old, and that would have never happened when I was drinking. Plus, I wouldn't want her to smell me because I smelled like alcohol. It's built these relationships and given me a path where I can now, the sky's the limit. I mean, business-wise, relationship-wise, going on vacation without drinking, I look forward to it all because all I ever did for 30 years is let this control my life. And now it doesn't control me. I have the freedom and the pure joy in life that comes from these relationships where you can give and you can definitely get back.